If you're looking for a secure, decentralized crypto wallet, Trust Wallet is one of the top options out there, especially for users who value full control over their digital assets. Developed by Binance, Trust Wallet is non custodial, meaning you alone hold your private keys, eliminating third party risks. It supports over 160,000 assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, and nearly every ERC20, BEP2, and BEP20 token out there, making it ideal for users with diverse portfolios. The app features a clean, user friendly interface that's accessible for beginners but still powerful enough for advanced users. With in-app DEX trading via platforms like PancakeSwap and full DApp integration, you can interact with DeFi services and NFT marketplaces without leaving the wallet. Trust Wallet is open source and includes biometric authentication and encrypted backups for added safety. Final verdict. If you're seeking a versatile, secure, and decentralized wallet, Trust Wallet is a strong pick.